Good evening, everybody. My name is Hado, and tonight I am going to show you a few things to do for New Year here on the island of Aruba, as I did with the Christmas video. Now I thought, why not make a New Year's video, because we do have some very interesting and very unique things to do here on the island. Let's go. So this one is Weg Cerro Preto. I'll put the name under and the direction more or less. It's some Christmas lights that you can find here every single year, and they're normally on until the 6th of January. So it's very popular with the locals. You can even do like a tour and come and watch this one, as did Marlene. We are now at the Dande Festival, the most typical music of Aruba. It's very unique to the island, and it's not found on any other island, or basically nowhere in the world, only in Aruba. Now, the Dande originated when the king of the Netherlands, he abolished the slavery in the late 1800s, and that's when this typical music started with the slaves. They went out and greeted that new year where they didn't have to be slaves anymore. And this festival, for example, has been in existence this year for 50 years, trying to keep this tradition, this typical music alive. And we're enjoying this right now. And I think it's something that you should definitely take a look at. What they sing about is the blessings that they gave to everyone in every house. So they go house by house singing this just after New Year, but this is the festival. And what else can I say about it? So they'll walk around with the hats and receive whatever amount of money that people are willing to give them. Super typical. I love it. Every Aruban loves this music, no doubt about it. One of the other things you can consider doing is driving to Oranjestad, more specifically to the Renaissance Marketplace, which is usually decorated with beautiful lights, but also features live music and activities for the kids. Along the roads, you might also notice many of the roundabouts that are decorated with Christmas lights. On December the 31st, many of the shops in the main street will close at noon, and some will feature live music and are one of those long firecrackers to end their year. If you want to experience this, I recommend you to be there around 11 a.m. as activities will sometimes start early, but the peak is around 12 noon. If you missed the Dande festival, no worries, I am sure you will be able to spot it here or somewhere around the island. Right now we are in front of the Renaissance Resort and we are going to watch the Pagara, which they are going to prepare here. And we are just before 1 p.m. This is known to be the largest Pagara, the longest Pagara on Aruba. And they do have it at 1 p.m. So if you do want to watch it, I see some cruise ships in port. So definitely some folks coming here to check it out too. So the folks are cheering because they are finally setting up because of some light drizzle. It took a little bit longer than it should have. And so they are preparing to light it up briefly. So just to give you guys an idea, it will be starting right here in front of the Wind Creek Crystal Casino. Also across the submarines, Atlantis submarines. And it will end somewhere behind the bridge, somewhere back here. And it's really the longest Pagara of the island. Hey, you know, it's an important event when even news, I saw several news folks and press here present and going live with it and everything. So this is pretty serious business in Aruba.
Hola, estamos en el canal de Airo, los invitamos para que vengan a Aruba. La tradición es espectacular y el sol nunca se acaba, aquí siempre hay sol.
Bienvenidos, bienvenidos todos.
Vamos con mi tío aquí y cuando quieran, bienvenidos y muy agradable. Airo, muchas gracias.
And good evening. Right now we are at Palm Beach. We're in front of the Holiday Inn Hotel. We're waiting for the New Year's fireworks. It's about to start at any time now. And yeah, pretty excited to see this one.
Yeah, really excited.
I have not experienced it myself.
No,
so
me
this
either.
is the first time here. I usually spend it with family at some family home or something like that. So we're gonna bring you part of that show right now. There's even one way out there and one at the Hyde Hotel also. While there are many other events and things to do around New Year, the last one we want to show you is this New Year's plunge at Moomba Beach on January the 1st. While this one hasn't been a long tradition, it has picked up a lot in popularity over the last few years, and we think that because of it being held at Palm Beach, it could be a practical thing for you all to attend. So guys, I want to wish you a very happy 2023 and hope that all that I presented in this video is very interesting to you, showing you my island of Aruba, and I will continue to do so throughout this year. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing and supporting me in 2022, and looking forward to great things in 2023. Bye bye guys, Happy New Year.